Introduction. Vivacious, juicy, and filled with sweetness, watermelon is more than merely an invigorating snack on a hot day. It's a sign of summer, a reward from nature, and a fruit that conveys both antique history and latest health advantages. Did you have information that watermelon has been everywhere for over 5000 years? Primitive Egyptians even put them in tombs of kings to flourish them in the afterlife. Emerging from the arid areas of Africa, this fruit has traveled through civilizations, responsible for hydration, healing, and happiness wherever it grew. Its botanic name is Citrus lanatus. Watermelon is a member of the gourd family, similarly to cucumbers and pumpkins. It's technically a berry, obviously a berry, with a dense rind and succulent interior, loaded with over 90% water and a sweet, chilling taste that makes it immensely tempting. Currently, watermelon is savored across the globe, from Asian street shops to Greek salads, smoothie bowls to skincare rituals. It occurs in different shapes, sizes, and colors, from deep red to golden yellow, and even seedless varieties. But watermelon is not merely a beautiful face. Behind its vibrant, vivid color and crunchy texture lies the valuable reserves of vitamins, antioxidants, and amino acids that strengthen your body in manners you might not even think. So in this video, prepare yourselves to disclose the spectacular health benefits of watermelon, gain knowledge how to utilize it innovatively in your diet and daily routine, and discern why this delicious fruit is absolutely a wellness miracle. Don't allow its sugary sweetness to deceive you. Watermelon is an excellent fruit stuffed with nutrients, antioxidants, and hydrating characteristics. Let's delve into how this juicy, delightful fruit strengthens your whole body from head to foot. 1. Intense hydration natural drink. Beyond 90% water content, watermelon is one of the highly hydrating food on earth. It not solely slakes your thirst but also brings back electrolytes like potassium and magnesium, enabling it ideal for hot weathers, workouts, or detox regimes. 2. Heart health booster. Watermelon is enriched in lycopene, a strong antioxidant familiar for lowering cholesterol levels, decreasing blood pressure, and inhibiting oxidative stress on cardiac tissues. Lycopene also hinders artery hardening, making your cardiovascular system healthy and powerful. 3. Muscle recovery and athletic performance. Obliged to citrulline, an amino acid naturally found in watermelon, this fruit aids facilitate blood flow, lessening muscle discomfort and strengthens speedy post-exercise rehabilitation. Some athletes take watermelon juice after exercise session to decrease cramps and inflammation. 4. Glowing skin and anti-aging support. Stuffed with vitamin A and C, watermelon fosters collagen formation, which encourages retain your skin compact, glossy, and sprightly. Lycopene and other antioxidants defend against sun harm, wrinkles, and dried skin. 5. Eye protection and vision care. Beta-carotene and vitamin A in watermelon are indispensable for healthy vision. They assist impede night blindness, age-related macular degeneration, and save your eyes from harm brought about by UV rays and oxidative stress. 6. Brain function and mood booster. Watermelon encompasses vitamin B6, which acts a crucial role in neurotransmitter function. It facilitates mood balance, cerebral health, and may definitely assist in declining stress and anxiety. 7. Facilitating detoxification and digestion. By means of fiber, water, and antioxidants, watermelon slowly removes toxins, boosts liver health, and enhances smooth digestion. It aids in inhibit bloating, constipation, and sustains your gut detoxified and light. It strengthens bones and joints. The lycopene and vitamin C in watermelon participate in making stronger bones and connective tissues. Citrulline also take part in diminishing inflammation in joints, which may be useful for people with arthritis or joint pain. 9. Maintain blood sugar. Although taste of watermelon is sweet, its glycemic load is less. Elucidating, it does not raise blood sugar levels intensely. When consumed in moderate amount, it can be portion of a nutritious diet yet for individuals monitoring their blood sugar. 10. Boost immune system. Vitamin C and A in watermelon strengthen your immune defenses, assisting your body combat infections, repair wounds, and rehabilitate quickly from ailment. So in future you relish a slice of watermelon. Don't forget it is greater than merely a juicy snack. It's a natural multivitamin, hydration promoter, and therapeutic food, all enclosed in a shiny green rind. Daily recommended intake 1 to 2 cups or 150 to 300 grams of fresh watermelon per day is suggested, a healthy quantity for most individuals. This is equivalent to 1 to 2 medium slices or a plenteous handful of cubes. Delivers approximately 45 to 90 calories, sufficient hydration, and a boost of vitamins without numerous sugar. Things to remember: immense natural sugar, although glycemic load of watermelon is less, but eating excessively over 4 cups at once may give rise to a temporary blood sugar elevation, particularly for diabetic patients. Digestive comfort. Overeating can induce bloating or uneasiness due to its enormous water and fiber quantity. Balanced diet. Watermelon is incredible, but don't consume only this fruit, but also use other fruits and veggies. Variety grants you a huge collection of nutrients. 1. Healthy salads. Put watermelon cubes with feta cheese, fresh mint, arugula, and a dribble of balsamic glaze, a sugary and salty Mediterranean triggered salad that's ideal for hot season. Also introduce cucumbers or olives for additional crunch. 2. Healthy juices and smoothies. Mingle watermelon with mint leaves, lemon juice, or a splash of coconut water to synthesize a rejuvenating summer drink. For smoothies, merge it with strawberries, bananas, or yogurt for a tropical twist. 3. Chili popsicles and sorbets. Freeze mingled watermelon with lime juice in popsicle molds for amusement. It's a lovely treat. Or agitate it into a flattened shiny sorbet. No additional sugar required. 4. Watermelon ice cubes and detox water. Place watermelon puree into ice cube trays and freeze these fruity cubes, and these cubes are perfect for cool drinks. Introduce them to your detox drink with cucumber and mint for health boost. 5. Grilling watermelon. Absolutely, watermelon can be grilled. Make thick sections of it. Pour little olive oil and a dribble of chili or sea salt and grill for a smoky sweet taste that's amazingly delectable. Better as a barbecue side dish. 6. Watermelon mocktails. Jumble watermelon with mint and basil. Crest with sparkling water or kombucha for a vivacious non-alcoholic cocktail. Use chia seeds for an invigorating summer drinks. 7. Watermelon breakfast bowls. Take a small watermelon and split it into 2 equal parts and place it in a bowl. Take out the flesh and infuse it with yogurt, granola, and berries. Consume a delectable breakfast that's loaded with nutrients. 8. Watermelon gazpacho or chilled soup. Combine watermelon with tomatoes, cucumber, garlic, and dribble olive oil for an invigorating palatable soup. It's gentle, hydrating and suitable for hot season. 9. Use watermelon for glowing skin. Watermelon juice can be used as an organic toner or mist. It moisturizes the skin, curbs redness and delivers a cooling sensation. Mingle with honey or aloe vera for a calming face mask. 10. Rind and seeds. Don't discard them. Rind. The white portion of the rind is eatable. Make pickle of it, introducing it to stir fries or merging into smoothies. It's abundant in citrulline and fiber. Seeds. Don't throw them. Roast watermelon seeds just like seeds of pumpkin for a crispy, protein-intense snack. From your plate to your skincare regime, watermelon absolutely is a multifunction fruit. Its opportunity to be innovative and stay chilly, healthy and hydrated in the scrumptious manners.